Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to go back to and talk about these brake calipers that I installed on my vehicle. And as you can see, it's a cover. So I don't know how it only got 3.9 out of 5 stars. I actually did a video of the installation on this one, and to my surprise, it's really nice. It's really people. A lot of people compliment on how it looks, and until this day, it doesn't collect the dust. As a matter of fact, it still looks shiny red. And for $80, I don't think you can go wrong with this brake calipers. And before I did this, I thought about painting the calipers, right? Because I'm not sure if you guys know this, but the brakes that the Tesla installed, it is Brembo brakes. So it's a high quality one, sporty ones too. But the only thing it's not red. It doesn't look like performance. And for those of you who bought a long range or a standard range and you want to make it look like a performance, there's a couple options you can go with. Either you can have someone paint your brake calipers, or if you're a handy man, you can just pretty much paint it yourself. Or another one would be just get something to cover it up, and which is the brake calipers, and that's what I did. And the details of the logo, the Tesla logo, like letters wise, and everything through the paint. If you go back, I'll list the video that I did this, the installation and everything, so you can actually see it. It's not hard at all. It's if you're handy, you can do it, and it's very basic stuff that you need to. All you need like a jack, and you need to get a Tesla jack, a plug. Otherwise, you damage your battery. But other than that, it's really easy. As you can see here, the pictures here doesn't do the justice. So, but it looks, like I said, it really looks, the paint quality, the build quality, really nice. I was hesitant myself too until I bought this with my own money. So my review is an honest review, and because a lot of I get a comment stating, hey, you know what, it's risky, it's gonna fall off, it's not good, why not just paint it? Or some harsh comment says that, you know what, might as well just get the performance. I get it, but when I bought the vehicle, I got it on the inventory, so I didn't get the performance. So here, with this thing, we'll make it look like a performance, only at $80. And believe me when I say this, you're not gonna regret it. And the last time that when I did the tire rotation, I think about 6,200 or 6,500, and I tested all of them, and it was snug. It's not falling off. It's not wiggly. It's not fumbling. None of that stuff. This is quality stuff, guys. And this is, like I told you with the videos, the way that they paint the whole thing, not just only the front where we can see with our eyes, but the quality is really nice. So I think this is how it looks. But this pictures here doesn't do the justice. So really nice. So, and they have different colors too. So for my preference, I don't think any other color would be as nice as red. But if we have like other people that might love green color or purple, pink, or red or violet, or any of the colors, then yeah, feel free to pick the colors that suit you the best. But by far, as you can see, this one right here. All right, let's see. It tells you this here. This is 23. Yeah, I bought mine, and this fits your Model Y, 19-inch, 20-inch. The quality, everything's here. It's good. They're honest about it. So if you're hesitant, if you're on the side, whether you're not sure if you should get a brake calipers covers or you want to paint it, you know what? From my experience and how this stands over a year already, I say, it's your choice. But if you ask me if I regret it in getting this one, definitely not. In a heartbeat. If I get another long range, if I get another standard Tesla, and if I need something to look like a performance, I would definitely go with this one. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions regarding about the installation, which I will list the video that I did the unboxing and the installations as well, and it's really easy. If I can do it, anybody can do it. Other than that, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Cái này không cần quay nhiều đâu vậy. Cái này nó bay